Hello guys, here we have a video of the VCR 60 video 2000. If you have a same model who make a click sound, you see switching on, switching off. We have this one, this CPU, this one CPU. This you can make a bypass. You see you have 1, 2, 3 in the back of the VCR. This one, this CPU. Take this plug off and switch on the modem. And when you take this off, you can see if the CPU is a defect. You take this one off, the clock will go on. And you can set the clock. So I might make a bypass. And now the VCR, who have made click sound for many years, I make it now. It's working now. See, it's running now very fine. I can stop. I can reject. I can down again. And I can try play. And it makes the same, eh? And play. So if the video make click sound and or switching off, this CPU is defect. This has got switch on the CPU and back of here. Eh? So all are function now on the VCR 60. Eh? Clock is okay. You got set the clock. You see turning here. Set clock 10:11:03. So you can sit here, and now the VCR is running. Eh? Go further down here, 8, 66, 67. Eh? Yeah. I gotta take up here. I can eject. I can take the tape out. You see, it's a Bang & Olufsen tape. You see, eh? Like this. So I put it inside again, like this. Set down again. I'm switching on. Or play like this. Eh? So if the video have click sound, look this CPU. You can switch. So it's working fine now, right? I want to make a bypass. So here I take out the plug. I'm switching on the video recorder. If you take the plug off, let's say cassette, it means this CPU is controlling the cassette part. This CPU on the video machine, eh? This one is controlling the cassette part. So that's all about the video. Is that have a click sound? You know, the same like a receiver. You see, put on and it make a click and switching off, eh? Or so you can take this part out of the receiver and it turning on, same like this. Right? So that's all, guys. Hope you have successfully your VCR 60 video 2000. Bye for now.